This particular command you're talking about. So confusing. Hmm. Okay. Anonymous guys, can you mm, tell me what is confusing? Then we can try to answer it. Be specific what is confusing, then we can try it out. Hmm. Between the type this one, cat, you need to type this way sudo cat space etc sudoers. Okay, try this way. Yeah, you need to give the password. Please write down the use of commands. I tried it out. I have tried it out, all this thing. Wherever it is required. Okay, I'll try it out. This point is valid. Yes, that is usual behavior. That is usual behavior. That is right. You have to switch back to sudo user. Exit, two times exit, na? I have 58, 59, two times exit, type it. Press Control C. Gayatri, press Control C, it will come out. No, you have not created the super user, you have just created the user. When you created the user, it has not asked for the password. When you have done this line, na, line number 53, you have done it, correct? So when you added the user, it prompted for the password, correct? Give the same password, na? How come it is possible? No password is asked. Okay, I'll just do it for you. Okay, let's do. I'll just close this chat window so I will be able to see it. Sudo su. You're telling it add user training. It is not asking for it's asking for the password. First thing is just asking for the password. Anjan, can you try it again? It is asking for the password. Create a new user. Add user training one, you do it. It is asking for the password. Root is not sudo group. Root will not be part of root is the sudo. Root is the super user. It will not be. If I am a if I am an admin, why will become the administrator group part? I am already a admin. So admin, you don't. It is like that. Okay, if I have the super user rights, why will I become the part of that group which doesn't have the rights? So it is not like okay. If you have the power, you will not become the power group part of some group where the power are less. So root is not the power part of that particular. Root is you can visualize root is the ultimate user of Linux. If you are login with the root rights, basically you can do anything. When I'm telling anything, you can go and uninstall the operating system as well. You can go and format the operating system. That is the permission level. That is the permission level. So permission means is root is so dangerous that there are companies who block the roots. I'll tell you. How to see all the users are there? Very good command. This is the kind of question. Cat etc password. Run this command. Sudo cat etc password. How to remove the user? How we can remove the user? First, I need to come out with this now. 1 second. How to remove the user? User del is there, na? User delete. That's it. Delete the user is the command is delete the user. The command is del user. Delete it. Root will not be deleted. Don't worry. Okay. So my whole objective here is, guys, today I want to take you with the comfort zone. See, last time we received the feedback, many of the participants were very new to Linux operating system. And what I did it, what as usually we do it, because I'm coming from a development background, like I usually code in Python. So we generally don't take this Linux basic itself. So I went with that assumption that a lot of people were not aware about the CD or mkdir command. Maybe in this audience also, there would be an audience who will be feeling that, okay, why we are doing these commands? I am familiar with this. There is a huge chances many audience people are well aware or well versed with Linux. So sorry for that, but this has to be done because of many participants are there. How to check all user? This is the command. I'll type the command here, cat etc password. Check all the user. I'm typing it here only. Okay. This guide will be there only. Check all the users. The command is cat etc password. You can go in this file and check it out. Sudo cat etc password. Okay, so 20 minutes break is good enough because we have to do many things there. Some basic things are there which we need to complete it. Like how to change the user permission, I want to show you. How to find the file, how to grab the file. This I want to show you. How to see the system and all this thing, how to ping a IP address, how to download it, how to install the package. This already we did it, but there are certain commands are there which you literally need to know before you go for the use cases. You need to know. So it's a 9:30, 9:24. 20 minutes is good enough. Can we resume around 9:45? Yeah, great. Please resume by 9:45, guys. And I will start sharp 9:45. Okay. So try to come back by, I will not give any buffer on that. Okay. Uh, those who wants to dinner, do the dinner.